Hello, this is Niels and Peter, and we're going to show you how to integrate Twitter with the blockchain in a couple of clicks.
Hi guys, let's say I am building a new product and I want to incentivize people to follow my Twitter account. As a little thank you, we will send them a new micropayment. Let's see how it goes. So we create a news app and we will choose the Twitter integration. As an event, we want to select new followers. I'll choose my Twitter account. Let's test for new followers. And let's say we're gonna pay followers if they have a pay mail address in their description. So let's pick a follower with a pay mail address. This looks good. So we're gonna extract the pay mail address from the description of the follower. We're going to use the formatter. We want to select text. We're going to extract an email address, which has the same layout as a pay mail. And we're going to use this description field. So let's test if it will extract the pay mail address. This looks good. So now we're going to send a payment to this pay mail address. We will use the Kyrt application. And we will select Create Micropayment. We will use our Kyrt account. And we want to use the pay mail we just extracted in this field. We will send 1,000 Satoshis to each new follower with a pay mail in their description. Looks good, let's test it. So we created a transaction, which is on the blockchain already, with a payment of 1,000 Satoshis to the pay mail. That's it. Exactly.